You've probably seen at least one of these platforms mentioned in investing circles, but which one is actually worth your time and your money? Today I'm putting three of the most popular AI-powered stock analysis platforms head-to-head. Koyfin, Seeking Alpha, and Simply Walsend. I've paid for all three. I've used all three for real investment decisions. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use and when. Quick disclaimer before we start, none of these are paid placements. I'm giving you my honest assessment based on months of personal use. I'll be judging each platform across 5 criteria: data quality, ease of use, AI intelligence, value for money, and best use case. Let's go. Simply Walsend earns its reputation through one thing: making complex financial data genuinely accessible. The signature snowflake visualization scores every stock across 5 dimensions: value, future performance, past performance, financial health, and dividends. Each score is underpinned by AI-generated narrative explanations that translate financial ratios into plain English. Data quality, good for fundamental analysis. It pulls from reliable financial data providers and updates regularly. Where it falls short is real-time data. Simply Walsend is not a platform for tracking intraday movements or breaking news. Ease of use, excellent. This is the most user-friendly platform I've tested, and it's genuinely suitable for complete beginners. AI intelligence, moderate. The analysis is pre-generated rather than conversational, meaning you can't ask follow-up questions. Value for money. The free tier, 5 analyses per month, is generous. Premium plans start at around £10 per month. Best use case: initial screening and health checking a stock before deeper research. Koyfin is what you use when you want institutional-grade data without paying institutional prices. It aggregates financial statements, consensus analyst estimates, macroeconomic data, and custom charting tools in one clean interface. The AI layer sits primarily in the charting and screening functions. You can describe what you're looking for in plain language, and the platform helps surface relevant views. Data quality, excellent. Koyfin pulls from premium data providers and covers global markets comprehensively. Ease of use, moderate. There's a learning curve here. The platform rewards users who invest time in understanding its features. If you're a complete beginner, you may find it overwhelming initially. AI intelligence, moderate to good. The AI assists with navigation and screening, but doesn't generate deep analytical narratives. Value for money. Free tier is surprisingly powerful. Premium tiers, from around $15 per month, unlock advanced features like news feeds and additional data layers. Best use case: serious financial analysis, charting, and cross-asset comparison for investors who want to go deep on the numbers. Seeking Alpha operates differently from the other two. It's part data platform, part publishing platform, combining AI-generated analysis with articles written by a community of analysts and investors. The AI components include earnings, call transcription and analysis, quant ratings, and sentiment scoring across news and social media. Data quality, strong, particularly for news flow and sentiment data. The earnings call analysis is genuinely excellent. The AI extracts key themes and flags language changes between quarters. Ease of use, good. The interface is familiar if you've used any news-heavy financial site. AI intelligence, high, specifically in the text analysis and sentiment scoring domains. Value for money, the free tier is limited. To get meaningful AI-powered analysis, you need Premium, which is around £20.25 per month, the most expensive of the three. Best use case: staying on top of news flow, earnings analysis, and sentiment shifts for stocks you already own or are monitoring. If you can only afford one, start with Simply Walsend on the free tier. It gives you the most accessible entry point into AI-assisted investing and covers 80% of what a beginner needs for fundamental stock screening. As your portfolio and knowledge grow, add Koyfin for deeper financial data. If you're a more experienced investor managing a real portfolio, the combination I use personally is Koyfin, free tier for data, plus Seeking Alpha Premium for news and earnings intelligence. Simply wall sync becomes less essential once you're comfortable reading financial statements directly. The ideal setup is all three in combination. Each one fills a gap, the others leave open. But if budget forces a choice, prioritize based on your current level and what you actually use. I've linked all three platforms in the description with notes on the free versus paid tiers. If you found this comparison useful, subscribe. Every week, I do exactly this kind of rigorous, no-nonsense breakdown of AI investing tools. Drop a comment telling me which platform you currently use and what you wish it did better. See you in the next video.